Alright guys, we're back here with the Falcon, and I'm draining the fuel tank because it smells completely awful. Trying to do this with one hand, but I had the hammer on the socket because this has obviously been drained before, and it was pretty rounded. And it was stuck, so I put some PB blaster. But shoot, that actually completely broke. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm actually pushing the drain plug in. So that's like completely broken. That's cute. Oh, there goes the drain. Strong. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here because I'm gonna start dying. That's draining pretty good. I'm gonna need to find another bucket, I assume. That sounded like there was a better feeling here. That's some strong stuff. But yeah, that drain plug completely broke, so it's cute. Yay. Alrighty guys, so I've pulled all the bolts except for this one, but I don't really know what's wrong with it. It wasn't really holding it down. Pulled all of them. Well, all the holes where it fell, but there was one there, wasn't one there, and there's one there, so on. Draining the fuel, I got it jacked up so I can get under it. Definitely spilled a bunch of fuel. I'll just clean that up. And going down here. Pull everything down from the other side. Pulling everything. Wiring. Yeah. Now I can pull the actual tank, and that's when you guys will see me next.